Do you have tight hamstrings and want to know some of the best stretches that you need to be doing on a daily basis so that you can improve your mobility, your range of motion, and take pressure off your back? Well, stick around because I'm going to guide you through a 5-minute or less daily stretching routine for your hamstrings that you can do. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Square Fitness, the YouTube fitness channel that brings you all the movement tutorials, all the tips, tricks, and secrets so that you can move better and feel better on a daily basis. So, you already know that you should be stretching, but it's typically not that you don't know what stretches to do. So some of the best things you could be doing is just following along and getting the habit of doing it versus reading about what stretches you want to do and all that. So let's get together, let's stretch it out ourselves. I'm gonna take you through 4 stretches, 30 seconds a pop. We're gonna start right now. Got a box, first one, right out in front. What I want you to think about is as you stretch anything on a daily basis, is not to just put your leg up and camp out. This doesn't do too much. I want you to think about your breath and getting, it's called contract and relax. I'm gonna pull up really hard for 5 seconds. I'm gonna flex my quad, and then I'm gonna relax for 10 seconds. Pull up, flex my quad, and then relax for 10. Let's switch it up. Flex the quad, release, and go for 10. I know personally that I will not stretch unless I'm kind of being guided through with what I'm doing. And for years, I would step into a yoga class, and then I would end up leaving because I couldn't do any of the stretches, or I'd be embarrassed. I couldn't even sit crisscross style. A couple more seconds here. And get rid of that there. I'm gonna come on down to the floor. We're gonna put one leg out in front, and I want you to have a little support system to your side. If you don't have these things available yet, just rewind the video and start back over. But I want you to posture up, and then we're gonna shift back and go back and forth for 30 seconds. So I would go to yoga classes all the time, and I would feel like I couldn't do any of the stretches, and a lot of times I couldn't make the class schedules work with my job demands at the time. So what would happen is I would never stretch, and I wanted to stretch because my back hurt. Let's switch it up. So that's when I started to create my own stretching routine and really started to follow a PDF is what it started with. And I was following this PDF, and I would do it on a daily basis right after my workouts. 15 seconds here. And then I got bored because I was doing the exact same stretches every single day and I wasn't seeing the improvement that I wanted. And now years later, Katie and I have developed, we're gonna switch it up. Use that same little guy you had as your support system, go right down the middle. I want you to think about here is trying to pull your chest up and get your lower back to be flat. Maybe you're not as high or not as low, or maybe you're low or whatever. Just get a good hamstring stretch here. What was going on is, Katie and I created our fitness app over time, and now we have these videos that guide you through the workout. So it's actually one of the first things I do as soon as I wake up. I wake up, I prop my phone, I've got 900 recorded videos and lots of stretching exercises that we can do from home, and it just guides you right on our phone. Similar to this, but it's got the timer built into it. 15 seconds here. That's how I start my day. 20 minutes of stretching, and I feel a lot better than I used to. We're gonna do one more, guys. It's with the band here. So it's a great opportunity to get further into your range of motion. So tie your band up. Like I said, if you gotta pause the video or rewind it, that's fine, but we're gonna use this band as a coach to pull you forward. So what I want you to do is, like we did with the box, is posture up first for 5 seconds, and then let your body get pulled and stretched for 10. Posture up for 5, stretch it for 10. You're gonna feel this in your hamstring and your lower back. If you're having an issue with this here, just sit on something to increase your the height of your butt, like a pillow or something like that, and that'll feel a lot better. So what I'm encouraging you to do is get in the habit of following along with the stretching routine or doing whatever it is you need to actually do the stretches. And for me, that's using our very own app, clicking play, 20 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes after my workout, because I won't stretch unless I'm following along. That's a hamstring stretch routine. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, check out casewarefitness.com, see how you can get a part of the app. We'll catch you in the next one.